exactly what I was saying. Big gray squirrel wants to go water skiing, but he's too big for the boat. Hey, what's this?
Oh no, another vehicle for us to destroy.
Hey, I'll let you fly it this time, okay?
Really? Wow, what an honor.
Whoa, you're a good flyer, Barry.
Yeah, I've learned from the master.
Hey, look, I think there's a dropship on the bottom of this thing. Let's release it. Yes! Tiny Chipmunk Squirrel's Mech is finally activated! Whoa! How did Tiny Chipmunk Squirrel get in there?
Hey, that's my ship. Give it back.
Is that a flying eyeball?
I don't want to know. Let's get out of here.
Time to retreat!
Ah, you darn squirrels. I will get you if it's the last thing I do.
On the table, we finally get to see the bad guys in full force. LEGO NEXO Knights, set number 72003, Berserker Bomber. 369 pieces, Macy in gold, 1 Nexo Power, Berserker, and Mecha Biter. On the back of this majorly crushed box, we have some imagery of what the Berserker Bomber can do and Golden Macy in flight. More gold special Merlok 2.0 shields to collect, and I see a tiny mech in there too. Inside that crushed box, instructions. Bag of pieces 1, bag of pieces 2, and some stickers. Let us construct the bomb of the Berserker. the Berserker Bomber built. Not a bad little mid-sized flyer.
Actually, it's supposed to be bad.
Oh, that's right. Hey Macy, how's it going?
Going good and gold.
Yeah, I see lots of maces on your flyer there. And how about that guy in the back of the Berserker Bomber? How are you doing? I don't think I understood a word he said. So here we are at the Berserker Bomber end of construction, a fun little flyer. It can do some things. I guess the first thing to look at would be those movable wings. With this rotation position, the bomber reveals its 6-stud infection shooters on either side. To fire them, just rotate these cool little satellite dishes. Watch out, Macy.
It didn't hurt.
Luckily, there are plenty of refills as normal, because you will lose them. The wings are also hinged to be positioned either up or down, but you probably want to have them go the same direction, either up or down. Jeez, who's flying this thing?
I am, and it's brand new. Give me a break.
Okay, leave it there. The Berserker Bomber has a detachable floating eyeball, and you may fly it around like this. But not like this. Like this. As for the other action feature of the bomber, we have a detachable Vyro Suit for Mecha. There's no release button on this, which is kind of a shame. And it kind of feels like we're wasting a little bit of space, as the figure could move up a little closer in here. That might be an easy fix though, just move that central gray piece up a little bit. So far, many of the NEXO Knights sets of 2018 have lots of integrated mechs involved. I like that, it gives you an enhanced level of play with these sets. This Vyro Suit here playing off the NEXO Knights battle suits pretty well, and would make for some good fun battles. You may open up the cockpit too. And Mecha can hop out if you wish. And to reattach, there we go! The Berserker Bomber is able to hold weapons on either side of the cockpit, and we have a green NEXO power shield up on top. It may appear a little bit small, but the set was a pretty good construction to build, mostly built of small little pieces. The black and neon green color scheme works out pretty well, continuing that Monstrox infection feel. As for Macy on her gold flyer, it is removable. And we've got our typical Macy figure with a new mace. We have our gold suited Macy this time. She looks pretty powerful. I would say my only complaint is I really wish they could fix her back hair so it wouldn't pop out so easily. I'm always losing those. The little flyer is fun. It looks like more maces. You have to have lots of maces when you're talking about Macy. And for a quick scale comparison, here is the Berserker Bomber sitting next to Aaron's Expo of 2018. A little bit smaller, but in some ways the sets are very similar, with a dragonfly-like appearance. So with that, Berserker Bomber, anything left to say for today?
No, we have to get going. Get the eyes some eye drops. It's looking a little red.
Yeah, you might want to do that. LEGO NEXO Knights Berserker Bomber arrives on store shelves January 2018 and retails between $30 and $40. If you're looking for something technically infectious, the neon green and black Berserker Bomber is the technology for you. With its infection shooters and detachable Vyro Suit Mech, makes for some good play. But if you would rather a heroic vehicle of NEXO Knight awesomeness, keep an eye out for the Expo or other awesome NEXO Knight sets. Just make sure to get some eye drops for that strange detachable winged eye of Monstrox. That's what I have to say about that.
The green squirrel knows all about Monstrox viral infections. Thanks for watching Squirrel Stampede. Please like, share, subscribe.